Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Premiere Pro for color match using Lumetri Scopes step by step clearly. Open Adobe Premiere Pro and load your project. Select the clip you want to color match in the timeline. Go to the color workspace by clicking on the color tab at the top of the window. Open the Lumetri color panel if it's not already visible. Locate the Lumetri Scopes panel by selecting Window in the top menu and then Lumetri Scopes. In the Lumetri Scopes panel, choose the type. It's recommended to enable the waveform, vector scope, and RGB parade for comprehensive color analysis. Drag the Lumetri Scopes panel to a preferred position on your workspace for easy visibility. Select the clip you want to use as the reference for color matching. In the Lumetri color panel, go to the Basic Corrections section. Adjust the temperature and tint settings to ensure your reference clip is neutral. Take note of the values displayed in the Lumetri Scopes while reviewing your reference clip. Now, select the clip you want to color match. Use the Lumetri Scopes to compare the color data of the current clip against your reference. Start adjusting the exposure, contrast, highlights, and shadows in the Lumetri color panel. Monitor the changes in the Lumetri Scopes as you make adjustments. Once the clips appear similar, move to the Color Wheels and Match section. Click on Compare to compare clips side by side. Adjust the shadows, midtones, and highlight settings here to refine the look of your clip. Pay close attention to the scopes as you make these adjustments. You can also use the HSL secondary section to target specific colors if needed. Perform additional tweaks until the clips match closely. Review your final result by playing the video back in the program monitor. If necessary, make final adjustments based on your visual assessment and the scopes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.